The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2022 through 2024 Subaru Outback Wilderness with the factory-raised rail. We previously installed the JetStream TimberLine system from Yakima. This video here has also the SkyBox NX16 attached to it. If you want to see a video of just the rack, we'll go ahead and link to that in the description below. But this is just a walk around so you can see how well this 16 cubic foot cargo box fits onto this vehicle and rack system. So overall, a good proportional fit, and also has clearance of the rear hatch to the cargo box, which is a very important thing to remember when considering a cargo box. The box itself is dual-sided opening, again 16 cubic feet, just under 76 inches long, 35 wide, 16 tall. Again, dual-sided opening, pretty simple to use. Just insert the key, pull down a lever, and open the box. So what's nice about the NX models is that the interior is super flat with their new hardware. So instead of having the tensioning knob living on the base, it actually has a housing that holds the essentially a torque wrench. So there's housings on both sides, so you can keep it on one side or another. All you do is insert it to the silver bolt head and spin that until it clicks. Basically like your fuel cap, so you know it's good and tight, ready to go. And once you're done with that, just plop it back into the side, close the lid, make sure the lid gets fully seated. You'll know that by an audible clicking, and the lever will snap back up into place. Once you do that, turn it to lock, and then remove the key, and you're good to go. So on the Outbacks, you can squeeze on an 18. You will maybe need to move the rack further forward and have the box a little bit shifted forward to clear that rear hatch. Anyways, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, please visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one. But like always, thanks for watching.